I will show you how to find the WP config file in a WordPress site from cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Next, click on the File Manager option. Inside File Manager, open the public HTML directory. This is where all your WordPress websites are stored. I have multiple websites here. I will be using this Designo desk site in this video. Inside this folder, look for your WordPress site files. Here you will find a file named wp-config.php. This is the WP config file. You can view the file contents. Or you can edit it manually from here if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.